Hello guys and girls, George here. Today is 10th of July, and today I will be showing you my EA robot, which I've developed with one of my IT specialists. And we're going to basically cover data from 1st of January 2019 all the way till today's date. So, this is okay. I'm putting 11th in order to catch the trades from today as well, which is Friday 10th. Okay, I'm gonna use hourly time frame. Deposit is £50,000. This particular, I personally trade pound dollar currency pair cable. This indicator been exclusively developed for it is better used with major currency pairs. I wouldn't recommend using it with some exotic weird currencies. Okay, so let's start. Here you can see at the bottom I'm using TeamViewer because I've got two operational systems. One is Windows and another one is Apple. But Apple sometimes can be fussy. So basically, I'm using MetaTrader on the Windows and using TeamViewer in order to have access, in order to and actually recording it using a QuickTime player at my with my Apple. Okay, so let's have a look. It's loading now. The way I've designed this particular indicator, EA robot, that it doesn't use stop losses. Believe me, stop losses, they don't work. If they did, then brokerage, brokers out there wouldn't be writing and notifying potential customers that trading Forex, etc., or contracts for differences carries a high risk, and according to statistical data, about officially 75-80% of all traders lose money. In essence, it's a little bit ridiculous. It's like, imagine you're gonna, let's say you would like to start your own business, and you're gonna approach a potential investor, and then you're gonna tell them, you know what, I've got a fantastic idea, but the success rate of this idea will be 25%, 20-25% that we're gonna succeed. I doubt someone will invest money with you or invest money in your projects. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, it's working, it's covering the data. Okay, so this is £50,000. So this is end of Feb. We're already up £7,600. Let's have a look. Okay. Okay. The charts which you are seeing on the monitor, it's not the one I'm using for the EA. This is more for my personal trades, manual trades, and I use these charts to teach and train traders how to trade successfully on a consistent basis. With manual trades, ideally you should be looking at hitting anywhere between 8 up to 12% net profit after tax. After taxes. The reason I'm saying after taxes, here in Britain we've got spread betting accounts. Another benefit of being a resident in Britain. and also in Republic of Ireland. So if you've got, let's say, a spread betting account and you reside in Britain or Republic of Ireland, you don't pay taxes. Of course, in the future it can always change, but at the moment, one of the benefits, of trading or setting up accounts in Britain, or of course you need to reside. I mean, you can't just open. You have to reside in order to take advantage of the spread betting account. Okay, let's see what's happening. Okay, we're already up 20%, and this is October. You see, 10 months work or performance would have generated at least 20%. Now going back to manual trades, I mean, I've been teaching how to trade successfully in the past 4 or 5 odd years, and if required, I can provide feedback from all my students. Um, so that's what I'm saying. I always tell my students, don't be in a rush. Concentrate on your trades, and if you hit anywhere between 8 and 12% per year, that's phenomenal. Look at our local banks. I mean, Barclays, HSBC, Big Four. They can barely offer, I don't know, 0.5% on their savings account. Not even that. In order to get that, probably they will ask you to invest money in their, bonds, and then you need to tie up the money. You can't really withdraw it. Well, actually, with regards to bonds, there are two options where you can access funds. Either one, if you declare yourself bankrupt, or if you die. Yeah, these are the two options you can access. Of course, there are certain bonds which allow you to have early access, let's say, but the withdrawals are limited, anywhere between 2 to 6 times per year, but it affects the overall performance. So if that's the case, what was the point of investing in a bond? Okay, okay, so we're hitting almost 70,000 pounds. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you see, the system works. There are buys and sells. I mean, these are the results. I mean, these are all, the performance is live. What I mean, of course, it is back tested. I mean, we're covering 1 year and, okay, more or less a year and a half. But in the future videos, I will upload data going all the way back to 2012. By the way, this particular time period includes volatility of coronavirus as well. So, as I said before, we trade with the trend and against the trend as well. We don't use stop losses, they don't work. Some of you might wonder how that can be, but it's fine as long as you know what you're doing. You basically you can either use hedging to offset slash balance the risk, or there is no particular reason. Here we go, clear scenario. It's all, let's look at the report. There you go. 50,000 pounds, total net profit almost 30,000 pounds, profit factor 6.6. That's very good. Anything above 2 is considered really good. Expected payoff 36. That's solid. Maximal drawdown only 23%, and modeling quality 90%. So that's really good. Okay, guys, I hope you found this video educational, and please get in touch if you like to ask me particular questions with regards to this EA robot, which was exclusively developed by me, and I own the proprietary right to this trading system, and in the near future it will be for sale, ideally for high net worth individuals or institutional investors. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and we'll catch up later on.